Welcome back to this channel. I am going to solve some problem for beginner. Already I have created video. You already know something about Linux. Let's say there is a problem. You have to create a file and add a text without open accessing file. Okay, let's say you have to write inside hello world. Alright, how to do it? At first create a file. How to create a file? Touch command, touch, let's say file name file.txt. Okay, now I can see the file details here. File created. Our question to add a text without accessing the file. This is very simple. Red Hat certification RHSA examination, then you have to solve problem, but not this type of much easy. To practice beginner, you can do this type of question to keep your hand free. Now how to do it? We use echo double quote, and here you will write hello world, right? And this sign forward to arrow and the file name, press enter. Now how to see this? Type cat file name and press enter. You see it is added. Alright, this is how to add a text in a file. That's all. Thank you.